let's start a little big picture for this crowd. Can you talk a little bit about UL Standards and Engagement, their role as a nonprofit, what kind of standards they develop? Let's take a step back for folks here who might not be so familiar.
Yeah, absolutely. So David and I represent UL Standards and Engagement. We are a nonprofit standards development organization. We like to refer to ourselves as a safety organization, a safety science organization. And our role in society is just to ensure that there are standards, and a standard is simply a document that provides minimum performance requirements, safety guidance for many of the products that we all touch and interact with on a daily basis. The best experiment that I love to do with people who aren't familiar with standards is to talk about this room, for example. A lot of the infrastructure in this room, the smoke detectors, the sprinklers, all of those things have standards behind them. And the role of a standard is to ensure that that product can operate safely. The last thing that we want, is for a fire to break out. And there have been many fires over the years in residential and commercial structures, and without the proper sprinklers, without the proper detection mechanisms, fires can be extremely catastrophic, versus we can implement through standards great prevention, detection, suppression, and even recovery mechanisms so that we all are safe. So David and I are here from UL Standards and Engagement. I'm representing the data science and engineering side, so let me apologize in advance because I'm gonna talk about the science, which is the fun stuff for me.
Oh, don't apologize for science, come on. No, and David, dig a little bit into your role at UL.
Sure. So I work on the government affairs side for UL Standards and Engagement, and we're really here to kind of spread the gospel about voluntary consensus standards and how they're developed. That's a key difference with the American system. We have a rigorous system for developing standards, and what's really unique and great about them is that they're continually updated. So technology moves really fast today, and it's important that our laws keep apace with that rate of change, and standards are a creative solution for policymakers looking to be on the cutting edge of those things.